Tecogen is a leading provider of cost-effective, clean, and reliable products for on-site power production, heating, and cooling, which, through patented technology, nearly eliminate criteria pollutants and significantly reduce a customer's carbon footprint, all while saving our customers money. Originally formed as part of the R&D New Business Center of Thermo Electron Corporation, the R&D experts at Tecogen have been pioneering the development of clean and efficient solutions for over 30 years. With more than 2,500 units shipped, Tecogen is revolutionizing distributed generation for customers in the multifamily residential, commercial, industrial, healthcare, and recreational markets.
Tecogen's core competency is grounded in our cogeneration technology. Combined heat and power, or CHP, delivers two forms of energy: electricity plus hot water or chilled water from a single fuel source. This is where the co in cogeneration comes from. In our case, the primary fuel source is natural gas, a fuel that is incredibly abundant, reliable, and affordable. Cogeneration has been around for a long time, but our team at Tecogen was the first to offer a small cogeneration system to our customers commercially in the United States. We started selling systems back in the early 1980s and have been carefully improving our systems ever since. Our new Inverter E Plus, launched in spring 2016, is the latest in our lineup. It carries a long list of new features unmatched by competitive offerings. A number of improvements add up to a 100 kilowatt machine that cuts the average customer bill by $50,000 to $100,000 annually. It also offers emergency standby power and seamless integration with the utility grid. In addition, it integrates with other distributed generation assets like battery or solar. And finally, its ultra-clean operation is in compliance with the strictest air quality standards in the world. We applied similar efficiency principles to the development of our Elios water heaters. Using ultra-efficient heat pump technology, our Elios line of water heaters take low-grade waste heat from the atmosphere or a building's existing cooling system and generate high-quality hot and cool water for a fraction of the price of a conventional heating system. Moreover, it does so at 2 to 3 times the efficiency of a conventional boiler. These heat pumps expand our customer base as they are appropriate, even in places where natural gas prices or propane prices are high. So far, we've installed Elios units throughout the U.S. as well as Mexico, Ireland, and Hawaii.
The attractive thing about Tecogen's technology is that it makes both economic and environmental sense. First and foremost, our goal is to save the customer money. Offering a strong value proposition is paramount to the sales process. With best-in-class electrical efficiency and our expert engineering design team, on average, our products offer customers a 3 to 5 year payback period. With upwards of 20 years average equipment life, that's a compelling ROI. When you add in the dramatic reduction in a building's energy-related carbon footprint from adopting our technology and the near-zero emissions profile of our engines, Tecogen is really offering customers a complete, packaged, clean, and robust on-site energy solution. Over the past 12 to 18 months, management has been focused on 3 high-level priorities. First, building out the sales team and developing relationships with project partners that can bring repeat business. Second, enhancing the product portfolio with additional capabilities and complementary offerings. And third, improving the overall financial profile of the company. We've made material progress on all fronts. We've added sales personnel and engineering expertise to support the design and installation team. We've also been laser focused on building long-term relationships of mutual trust with partners that can bring repeat business. Engineering design groups, installation engineers, energy consultants, energy service companies, so-called ESCOs, developers, and property portfolio managers are all targets for relationship cultivation. This initiative takes time and careful nurturing, but early results are strong. Our backlog has been consistently above management's goal, and much of that has been due to repeat business. These efforts are ongoing but are bearing fruit already in the form of more frequent and larger projects. Next, our goal to enhance our portfolio capabilities. We took 2 steps recently to address this. In May of 2016, we announced the formation of a joint venture with European CHP manufacturer Tecogen. The 50-50 joint venture uses our nationwide sales and service network to bring Tecogen's line of cogeneration equipment to the USA. The Tecogen product line complements the Tecogen portfolio by offering small-scale micro CHP as well as larger-scale units over 1 megawatt, a capability not met by Tecogen's historic in-house portfolio. Their equipment also offers a range of engine options as well as flexible fuel capabilities such as biogas. Together, these additions quadruple Tecogen's addressable market for CHP, a $12 billion opportunity in the near term. Alongside the product portfolio enhancements, we are also enhancing our customer-facing offering. In early November 2016, we announced our intent to acquire longtime on-site utility financing affiliate, American DG Energy. Expected to close in the first half of 2017, the acquisition of American DG allows Tecogen to offer complete, vertically integrated energy solutions to customers, including design, manufacture, installation, financing, and long-term service. When the deal closes, the combined company will have half of total company revenues from long-term contracted sources, a high-margin, stable, and reliable annuity-type cash flow that will fund operations as well as select growth opportunities, setting us up for future success.
Along with the progress Ben has been making on the core cogeneration business, the R&D team has been focused on longer-term initiatives, hard at work developing our emissions control technology for other applications. Since 2011, the R&D team has been increasingly focused on engine emissions and aftertreatment technologies that solve the problem of harmful pollutants from gas-powered internal combustion engines. First developed in response to new air quality regulations for stationary engines in Southern California, our patented Ultera Ultra Clean Emissions Control System nearly eliminates carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbons, toxic compounds that contribute to smog and adversely impact human health. With our system, an engine can meet the strictest emissions standards in the world, delivering an emissions profile from a standard internal combustion engine that is on par with fuel cells. Since development, the Ultera technology has been successfully implemented across Tecogen's entire product line. The true beauty of the Ultera technology lies in its ease of implementation. Requiring no alteration to the engine or its subcomponents, Ultera is a straightforward add-on to the engine exhaust system where it delivers unparalleled near-zero emissions of criteria pollutants. Because the basic engine platform is not impacted by the retrofit of Ultera, dramatically improved emissions are achieved without an expensive and protracted engine redesign effort. At the same time, vehicle performance and fuel economy are not compromised in any significant way. The R&D team is now focused on developing Ultera for other applications, including generator retrofits in the near term, propane fork trucks in the medium term, and automobiles longer term. Starting in 2012, we began working to adapt Ultera as a retrofit kit for standby power equipment made by third-party manufacturers, including Caterpillar, Generac, and others. When retrofitted to a standby generator, the resulting Ultera-treated emissions are clean enough to qualify generators for non-emergency applications, a valuable service allowing generator owners to expand their permanent use of expensive capital equipment, deriving additional value from their assets. This is a near-term opportunity and new market for Tecogen. We have installed the technology on a handful of engines in Southern California and are awaiting final air permit issuance following third-party source testing. The final permit is expected to come sometime in mid-2017. We have already identified several potential customers with good-sized fleets of generators and a need for this retrofit technology. Following permit issuance with our first customer installation, we fully expect to rapidly pursue a number of these significant retrofit projects, developing a new revenue stream for the company. In the mobile engine category, we are beginning to work on adapting Ultera for propane-powered fork trucks. Approximately 70,000 fork trucks are sold annually in the United States. They are the workhorses of the warehouse and shipping industry and are far more affordable than fuel cell or electric fork truck alternatives. The project has significant benefit potential for this industry, as these vehicles generally operate indoors where air quality-related health concerns are magnified. In recent years, electric and battery-powered fork trucks have been making significant inroads in the fork truck industry, in part because of their green image and indoor air quality benefit. This market share loss has occurred despite significant disadvantages of battery systems. That is, they are more costly and often unable to operate a complete full shift because of energy storage limitations. The primary benefit of the Ultera-equipped ultra-clean propane truck will be fuel cell-like emissions and a propane green brand that offers a robust indoor air quality advantage without compromising vehicle performance. The project will assess the adaptation of Tecogen's near-zero emissions technology for the fork truck category and demonstrate the technical performance on popular propane fork truck models. The development work is being done in-house with funding from PERC, the Propane Education and Research Council, and with the support of 2 select major fork truck manufacturers. We expect the project to take approximately 9 months and see a clear path to commercialization should the work prove successful, allowing Tecogen to tap into a $30 billion global annual fork truck market. Finally, through our joint venture, Ultra Emissions Technologies Limited, we are working to develop Ultera for the gasoline vehicle market. Although our team was confident the Ultera technology could be applied to other engine categories for many applications, including vehicles, there was not a clear need for our solution in the automotive market until recently. That all changed in the fall of 2015 with revelations of widespread emissions cheatings by the automotive manufacturers. In response to this scandal, European regulators are now implementing on-road real-world driving tests for vehicle emissions compliance. The new standards will be phased in starting in 2017. Recently valued in third-round funding at $58 million, the joint venture is backed by a group of wealthy European strategic investors with ties to the auto industry and has over $12 million in cash on hand to finance development of the technology for this vehicle application. The team selected AVL's California Technology Center for initial testing of Ultera on a vehicle platform. The center has extensive expertise in powertrain engineering and emissions testing, as well as prior experience with the Ultera technology. Phase 1 testing began in April 2016 on a light-duty vehicle. While the vehicle was compliant to its certification level, the Ultera process proved highly effective at further reducing pollutants from the vehicle's gasoline-fueled engine. Phase 2 testing was likewise successful. Completed in November of 2016, we refined the system for a small but powerful engine. These small engines have become very popular because of their fuel efficiency. This is a long-term opportunity for the company. Overall, automotive emissions are ranked among the top 5 contributors to poor air quality worldwide and pose serious long-term global human health risk. Today, passenger vehicles are evaluated inside a laboratory on a known test cycle, with emissions tests designed more than 20 years ago. New, portable emissions testing technology is now poised to show that these standard emissions tests performed at a closed facility underreport the amount of pollutants actually given off by a vehicle during daily use. In response, the European Union has mandated a new regulation called EU 6C in the next 3 years that will require all vehicles to be tested with a portable emissions measurement system to show compliance with the EU's new real driving emissions regulation. Our automotive joint venture should be well placed to offer auto manufacturers an emission solution that performs to the standard under real driving conditions without compromising performance or fuel economy.
As you can see, our Tecogen team has consistently been at the forefront of an environmentally friendly technological innovation. We commercialize, refine, and support these pioneering concepts over the long haul in pursuit of our mission to provide clean and efficient solutions for customers' everyday problems. It's clear that the distributed generation renaissance is here, and the options are plentiful. From solar PV to wind to fuel cells to microturbines, facility managers are increasingly comfortable with the idea of producing energy on-site at their property. As this trend develops, we expect the most robust power systems will incorporate elements from traditional utilities, renewable sources, and clean alternatives like cogeneration. With our complete cogeneration portfolio offering customers reliable, clean, and affordable energy solutions, we are well placed to meet the energy needs of the future.
Here in Waltham, we will continue pursuing our mission of consistently providing the most robust, efficient, and environmentally sustainable energy technologies available.
We hope that as we execute on our growth plans, you are able to share in our vision and benefit from a clean energy future.